Can a tiny patch really help you lose weight and manage blood sugar without diet, exercise, or prescriptions? That's why Crazy Leaf's SMGTGLP1 nano microneedle patch claims, but is it legit or just a scam in disguise? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer, everything in this review is based on publicly available research and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Now, according to its official website, the Crazy Leaf patch uses microneedle technology to deliver ingredients that supposedly mimic GLP-1 medications like Ozempic for weight loss and blood sugar control. They promise results without diet or exercising and claim it's pain-free and safe. But here's the catch. There's no clinical data, no FDA approval, and no credible endorsements. Malware Tips warns that this product relies on fake testimonials, fake science, and misleading marketing tactics. Some users have reported hidden charges, no refund policies, and zero customer service after ordering. There are no verified reviews on Google, Trustpilot, or Reddit to support any of the claims. Now, for the final verdict, the Crazy Leaf patch appears to be a classic example of deceptive marketing. It promises zero proof. With no clinical testing, no real reviews, and questionable sales practices, this product screams red flag. If you're serious about weight loss or diabetes care, talk to your doctor, not a sketchy patch online.